Boyfriend, no problem. I do what I want. Boyfriend, no problem. Boyfriend. Boyfriend, no problem. I do what I want. Boyfriend, no problem. Boyfriend.
Goblins from Mars, Ryan Oaks. We glowed up, we glowed up, we glowed up. Oh man, look this glow, we all done glowed up. Pulled up, tell 'em pull the curtain, roll 2, no 3, got a fifth of bourbon, got foreign bitches that shepherd German, that I want the break from, I need to learn, and they told us all that we'd end up broke. We sucked it up and we did the most, now we taking over, we want the globe, so it's to the west to go take the coast. Everyone got shit to say, I tell 'em grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell 'em that we in they city, everybody shows up. Oh man, we all done glowed up. We all done glowed up. Boy, we all done glowed up. I hit the whip and I get to swerving. Spit legit, man, I'm sick for certain. I'll fix the shit that y'all bitches hurting. Y'all shit just isn't sick, get to work. And I speak in cursive, my words are slurring. Chasing cheese, man, I've been a vermin. I'm in the cut, but I ain't a surgeon. I'm your favorite rapper, but the sicker version. This shit determines those men from sheep. I've been at work while y'all been asleep. I got $1 million down, it's not shit to me. 500,000's not a hit to me. Them people talking don't get to me. 1K to 2 is not a flip to me. And one day or two, you'll all be hip to me. Cause I keep it hot, but flow 6 degrees. Everyone got shit to say, I tell 'em grow up. When they try to bring us down, we only go up. We tell 'em that we in they city, everybody shows up. Oh man, we all done glowed up. We all done glowed up. Boy, we all done glowed up. Everyone got shit to say. Everyone got shit to say. Man, everyone got shit to say. They told us that we never make it. Now we looking back and we laugh in their faces. I think of my best and I left at the minutes. I'm finally feeling
Mario.
Hey Jake,
¡Ay, Dios mío!
Si te pones triste, destruiremos a una vieja gorda.
¿quieres parar ahora?
Sí. Grifo de mayonesa infinita.
¿Listo para acabar la colección?
No, no.